Alright, so we're looking at Sentry Safe G1459E. Has the push button combination, and behind it is a place for a key override. This one's open. What you'll notice is the reset is over here on the inside of the door jamb. Currently set to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we're going to do is simply use a thin piece of metal, slide it into the door jamb, and come and hit the reset button on the inside. New combo 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. See where that's at? Wraps right in there and presses the reset button. So once the reset button's been hit, it'll blink green. Punch in a new 5-digit combo. Wait a couple seconds. It'll be set.